Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen for a unboxing of quite the fitting deck here, the Housewives Tarot. So this is a domestic divination kit with deck and instruction book by Kepple and Jude Buffum. Again, no disrespect, I just don't know how to pronounce you guys' names. Alrighty, so this is adorable so far. This is published by Quirk and it retails for $16.95. And everywhere I know that you can purchase this deck, it will be down in the description box below. I am not paid or sponsored for these reviews. I just want you guys to be able to look through and see if this is a deck for you. All right, so it comes in this adorable little box. It's 78 cards and instruction book. How cute is that? This has been on my list for a while now, and I finally got my hands on it. So it retails for $16.95, and let's see, it says, within this box lie the secrets of domestic empowerment. Begin your journey by lifting the lid, dealing out your fate, and understanding the hidden messages of the Housewives Tarot. Through images of dinnerware, which would be pentacles, martini glasses, cups, mops and brooms, wands, and much more, these tarot cards can answer all of life's most challenging questions. The enclosed instruction book will show you how to interpret all 78 cards and provides useful advice on giving a reading. Oh my goodness, guaranteed by the Housewife Occultists of America. Oh my God, this is adorable. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, it's like a recipe book. Oh my God. This deck belongs to, and look at the little dividers. Oh my gosh. Save yourself from confusion, heartache, and guesswork when you purchase the Housewives Tarot. There's a website, so I'll add that down in the description box below. Shuffle the deck to create the recipe of your future. You won't believe your eyes. Oh my gosh, adorable. What the homemakers are saying about the Housewives Tarot. I'll let you pause that if you want to read all of that. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute. Okay, so it has the, just a card here. It was copywritten in 2004. And then it has a card for the major arcana. Ooh, icebox fortune cake for use with the Neapolitan spread. Oh, cute. So it's literally a recipe. And then we have the cards for the major. And then the minor arcana. Divinated eggs. Oh my gosh. For use with the dinette spread. How stinking cute. And then we have the cards for the minor. And then the instruction book cards. Madame Marlena's Mystical Martini for use with the martini spread. So you can make yourself a martini. And then we have the instruction book. Oh, and it's colored all throughout. Let's see. Conduct a reading. Ooh, we have lots of spreads. The Virgin, the Neapolitan, the dinette, which looks like a plate. Oh my gosh. The clothesline of life. The martini. Oh my gosh. And then it goes into the card meanings. I will have to say I did do a little bit of digging just to see what it was all about online. They are numbered a little bit odd in the major, only a little bit out of order, just because the authors felt that the Fool should meet her physical on earth parents in the journey before she met her mystical teachers, so the High Priestess and the Hierophant. So that's why they're a little outnumbered, or not outnumbered, but reverse numbered just in that little bit. So let's go ahead and look through the major. I'll stick this back here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So the cards are gingham on the back. Ah, how cute. The Fool. So see what I mean? They're a little bit out of order. The cards feel really good. They're a great size. Pretty flexible. They're not too thin. Oh my gosh, so cute. The numbers are down here. Oh my goodness. Scrub pads. Ah. Oh, this is fun. This is so much fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. If you hear my dogs in the background, I apologize. This is adorable for a devil card. Oh my goodness. Gelatinous tower. Cute. Oh my goodness. I'm interested to see how they read. How the guidebook is. That is adorable. Okay, let's go through the minor here. Okay, so trash all low. Cups. Oh, they have different borders for the different suits, different colors. Okay, so let's go through the cups. It's raining cats and dogs right now in my neck of the woods, so my dogs are going crazy. So if you hear them, they're not happy about being locked in. I think we're all experiencing that feeling right now. Cute. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is just too much. The imagery is great. I think, depending on the guidebook, I think this would be great for beginners. I think this is a great little set. It's definitely quirky and relatable. And so far, I think it would be great for use with different clientele. The diversity, however, is not there. But I mean, given the time frame that this was made, still, you know, I would love more diversity. That's just me. Ace of Swords. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they feel really great in the hand. They glide really well. They fit in my hand really nice. The imagery is beautiful if my fingers don't get in the way. But yeah, I mean, I get the reason why there's not a lot of diversity, but it's still disappointing because there's no reason that it shouldn't have more. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Yeah, I'm very curious to see how this reads from the guidebook. So we'll pick a card after we shuffle, and then we'll see how it reads, and then I will give my last little opinion about it. I do like the different color borders. I think that's neat to differentiate them like that. Okay, let's see how they shuffle. And for those of you that like to work with your major arcana separate from your minor to do different spreads, this is great to be able to separate them like that. All right. that's a nice shuffle. Maybe I can do it better this way for the camera. That one wasn't working very well, but yeah, they shuffle really nice. They glide really nice. I like the feel of the cards. They're more of a matte than a gloss. I like the different borders. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Too many cards flying out. Thank you very much. All right, so shuffle great. Let's go ahead. This one popped out first. 6 of Pentacles. Let's take a look at what we have to say in the book here. 6 of Pentacles. All right, so it has the keywords as well as a little paragraph about it. So the 6 of Pentacles is about generosity in times of both prosperity and hardship. If you're enjoying the sweet taste of success, why not try sharing that sugary bounty with others? You never know whether Lady Luck will trick or treat you. So always offer up the best you can. If you were the one going door to door, wouldn't you prefer a home-baked goodie to measly penny candy? Oh my goodness, how stinking cute. That's really cute. So it doesn't look like there's reverse meanings in here. So that's kind of great for beginners if you're just starting out. I feel like it's enough info, enough to get by if you are just beginning. There's a lot of spreads. Have fun with this. Like, this is just screams like a fun deck. Like, it doesn't take itself too seriously. But it would be fun for, you know, an everyday deck as well as a deck that you would use with clients if you partake in that. So what a fun little box set. I think this has to be one of my favorite packaging that I've had the privy of opening. Like, how fun is this? It's super different, and I mean, you get a cute little recipe box. That is so cute and on point. I don't know. I think it's adorable. I think the different numbered Emperor, Empress is not a big deal. The meanings, oh, that's what I wanted to check. If the meanings were still the same here for it, because if they are, then it doesn't really matter unless you're dealing with, no, the keywords and everything are the same. So yeah, unless you're dealing with like a numerology thing in your spreads, it shouldn't really affect how you read the cards. So that should be fine for those of you worried about that. But yeah, I love it. I think it's adorable. I think it's super cute. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, if this is something that you own or that you're excited to get, that's been on your list. It's been on my list for a while. And it was one of those elusive decks that like couldn't find for a minute. So finally found it. And like I said, I will link everywhere that I know I've seen it down in the comment section or the description box. So let me know what you think. And as always, have yourself a wonderful day. Be safe, wash your hands, and like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of those things if you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.